Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco. This is their part number 1043J. Just trying to get the camera to focus on our key blank. Sometimes you got to outwit it. 1043J is what that says. Now, this is a blank used for Illinois or Timberline locks. If you're looking for more information on Illinois or Timberline, you want to search for the name Compx, C-O-M-P-X. You can find a reference to that below this video to the link at the manufacturer's page. So this video will show you what this key blank looks like. A couple of basic dimensional properties. The blade height, 0.251 is the blade height. From the shoulder stop to the end of the blade, right at the tip of my fingernail, I'll give you an approximation of that. Say about 0.538 inch. 0.538, okay? There is an image below this video showing the milling profile. I would actually, I don't know better than Kaba Ilco does. I would call it the broaching of the cylinder, because when you're looking at the milling profile, you're looking down into the cylinder itself and not at the tip of the key. Let's switch to the screen view now and let's take a closer look. Here is the item that we are indeed looking at, the 1043J, and as we scroll down, we'll see that milling profile. Now, remember, that's when you're looking into the cylinder. If you want to look at the tip of the key, we can take a look at these images that I have below this video as well. That's what the one side of the key looks like. And that is what I would call the milling profile from the tip of the key. You'll see that this ward cut, or this ward groove, is a little bit lower on the side opposite the thumb if you're holding it right-handed. And you'll see that the side opposite the thumb, this is backwards, because that's the cylinder itself. Okay? You really need to flip that around in your mind's eye. This side would be the right side of the cylinder plug looking into it. Your thumb side would be over here. Okay? Anyway, I think you get the point. The back of the blank, the milling profile from the back of the blank as well. Your thumb side is going to have the higher ward register groove, or higher ward groove, the thumb side, okay, which would be over on the left. Anyway, there's a link below this video here to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, but also a link to the key blank catalog. So let's fire that up. That is going to be probably 400 pages or so of key blanks, indeed almost 500. If you do a Control F on your keyboard for 1043J, you'll find all of the instances where it shows up. Indeed, it shows up in the catalog on section 2, page 37. There are several sections in this catalog. This magenta color is the North American cylinder. There it is. So, while it is true Kaba Ilco doesn't make every key blank possible, you can use this reference to help exclude what it can't be. You know, if you're looking for an Illinois or a Timberline blank, and you're looking for it by Kaba Ilco, and if your broaching profile in the cylinder doesn't look like this, well, it's not a 1043J. The IL11 is an easy number. As we scroll through the rest of the catalog, we'll find all of the instances of where the 1043J comes in. It comes in the cross-reference near the back of the catalog between Ilco's EZ number and the Ilco number. Between Jet and Ilco, you can find the Jet number. The Orion part number as well. Okay, so a real handy document. I don't always find the blank that I'm looking for when using this catalog, but I always can determine whether or not it's in it pretty well. And studying these profiles and getting your brain trained to reverse the key that you may have in your hand or in a picture. Once you get decent at doing that, you should be able to fairly easily eliminate what it can't be. Really handy document here. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. Okay, in conclusion, a very high quality key blank from Kaba Ilco. Okay, and this video is to really serve as visual evidence, dimensional evidence of the item, background information of what it is. They make a quite comprehensive offering of key blanks. I like Kaba Ilco blanks. I have, in decades of using tens of thousands of these, I think that there's only been one that I could tell was a manufacturer's defect. It was the root height was incorrect. It was incorrectly formed at the bottom of the blank, making if you're registering off the bottom of the root, your cuts would be too shallow because you didn't have enough height of key blank pushing the blade up in the machine. And that occurred about 6 months ago or so. It was the only time it's ever happened to me. So that's a great track record. Any questions? And they're sold as each. You can buy one, you can buy a pack of 10, a box of 50, you can buy 12, whatever you need. Any questions on the Kaba Ilco 1043J, Illinois or Timberline blank, or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.